May I have your lordship's leave to commence the proceeding?
Yes.
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notification issued by the Special Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, New Delhi.
Yes.
To be published in the Gazette of India, Part 1, Section 2, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Mansingh Road, New Delhi, 110011, dated 18th October 2023. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Sri Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani, Judge of Allahabad High Court, as a Judge of Calcutta High Court, and to direct him to assume charge of his office in the Calcutta High Court. Rajendra Kashyap, Special Secretary to the Government of India. May I now most humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office of the Honorable Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta. Lordship, may I have the leave to read out the authorization order also?
Yes.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivaganam, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court, Calcutta, or any other senior-most Honorable Judge of High Court, Calcutta, before whom Honorable Sri Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani and shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the forum set out for the purpose in Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India before he enters upon his office of the Judges of the High Court, Calcutta. Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, October 21st, 2023.
I,
Surya Prakash Kesarwani,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and
that I will duly and faithfully and
to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Please sit down. In that you can sign. God should press the sign here. Second. One. You have to sign it once more. Expecting the view. Best wishes and welcome to Congress.
पीछे भिजवा
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notification issued by Special Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, New Delhi,
Yes.
to be published in the Gazette of India, Part 1, Section 2, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Mansingh Road, New Delhi, 110011, dated 18th October 2023. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Sri Justice M.V. Muralidaran, Judge of the Manipur High Court, as a Judge of Calcutta High Court, and to direct him to assume charge of his office in the Calcutta High Court. Rajendra Kashyap, Special Secretary to the Government of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the authorization made by the Honorable Governor of West Bengal in favor of the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta.
Yes.
Order. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivaganam, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court, Calcutta, or any other senior-most Honorable Judge of High Court, Calcutta, before whom Justice M.V. Muralidharan shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India, before they enter upon their office of the Judges of High Court, Calcutta. Dr. C.V. Anand Bose, October 21st, 2023. May I now most humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to the Honorable Justice M.V. Muralidharan as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
I,
M.B. Muralidaran,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and
that I will duly and faithfully and
to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Please be seated.
Second. That's all. Oh. And jump.
Suspicious.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notification issued by the Special Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, New Delhi. To be published in the Gazette of India, Part 1, Section 2, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Man Singh Road, New Delhi, 110011, dated 18th October 2023. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Sri Justice Madhuresh Prasad, Judge, Patna High Court, as a Judge of Calcutta High Court, and to direct him to assume charge of his office in the Calcutta High Court. Rajendra Kashyap, Special Secretary to the Government of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the authorization made by the Honorable Governor of West Bengal in favor of Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta. Order. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivaganam, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court, Calcutta, or any other senior-most honorable judge of High Court, Calcutta, before whom Sri Justice Madhuresh Prasad shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India before he enters upon his office of the Judge of the High Court, Calcutta. Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, October 21st, 2023. May I now most humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to the Honorable Justice Madhuresh Prasad as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
I,
I, Madhuresh Prasad,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed a judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and
that I will duly and faithfully and
to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Please, sir. One more. Yes, sir, we'll continue.
May I request the learned Assistant Additional Advocate General to deliver his speech?
My Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, my Lords, Honorable Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani, Honorable Justice M.V. Muralidaran, Honorable Justice Madhuresh Prasad, learned Deputy Solicitor General, office bearers of the three wings of the bar, learned senior advocates and other members who are present here today and on the virtual mode, members of the registry, friends and associates of my lords who have taken oath here today. On behalf of the Calcutta Bar, on behalf of the Learned Advocate General of West Bengal, and on my behalf, I welcome your lordships to this ancient, awakened land of ours, to the state which is the sweetest part of India, the state which boasts of 5 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the city which has, with good reason, been described by late Dominique Lapierre as the city of joy, the city which has nurtured 6 Nobel laureates, been the birthplace of the national anthems of 2 countries, and is the cultural capital of our country. Today, your lordships become a part of our city, our state, and our culture. We in Bengal have just celebrated the victory of good over evil, of light over darkness, and of wisdom over ignorance. In accordance with long-standing traditions, kindly permit me to wish your lordships Vijaya Pranam and Dasera greetings. I welcome your lordships to the oldest chartered high court in the country, which now celebrates the 161st year of its charter. Of course, as your lordships know, the legacy goes back much longer. 1726 marks the establishment of the Mayor's Court in Fort William. The Supreme Court of Judicature at Fort William in Calcutta was established by Royal Charter in 1774, with Sir Elijah Impey as its first Chief Justice. Your lordships will find the portrait of Sir Elijah Impey right there. The High Court was established by letters patent of 14th of May 1862, with Sir Barnes Peacock as its first Chief Justice. Just a note of how the quirks of fortune affect the judiciary. The first Indian to have been appointed as a puisne judge was Rama Prasad Roy, son of the illustrious Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Unfortunately, before the letter of appointment reached India, Rama Prasad Roy passed away. And the mantle of being the first Indian puisne judge fell on another illustrious soil of our state, Shambhunath Pandit. If your lordships look down the list of the honorable judges who have adorned the bench here, your lordships will find names of legends of the Indian judiciary. Today, your lordships have become a part of this heritage. Your lordships have become a part of what we in Calcutta call the Calcutta bench. On behalf of the Calcutta Bar, I assure your lordships fullest cooperation and assistance in the discharge of your lordship's judicial duties. My lords, the Honorable Justice Kesarwani, Justice Muralidaran, and Justice Madhuresh Prasad have come to the land where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of, if I may say so, intolerance, whether it be religious or caste or creed or of economic disparities. Bengal exemplifies not only the melting pot of different cultures, but is really a place where every occasion, every event is converted into a larger than life festival. A festival which really exemplifies our joie de vivre. Your lordships have come to the land of festivals. And if my lords have missed the majestic Durga Puja, Bengal will showcase for your lordships the magnificence of the Kali Puja, the splendor of the Jagadhatri Puja, the old world charm of the Christmas, and the uninhibited joy of New Year's Eve. And this is only this side of the vacations. After the New Year's, your lordships will find we start with another round of festivals, whether it be the Kalpataru Utsav, whether it be Bengal's Valentine's Day, which is Saraswati Puja, whether it be Dol Purnima, Poila Boishakh, Robindra Jayanti, Eid ul Fitr, the list goes on. I beseech your lordships that while your lordships are here in Calcutta, please partake of our festivals, our food, our culture, and be a part of us. We wish your lordships a very pleasant and memorable stay in Calcutta. No doubt, judicial work will take up a substantial part of your lordship's time, but please, may I again request your lordships to please take time out, and while your lordships are here, please live the experience, live Bengal.
May, may I request the learned Deputy Solicitor General to deliver his speech?
My Lord, the Honorable, the Chief Justice, the Honorable other judges of this Honorable Court, my Lord Justice Kesarwani, my Lord Justice Muralidaran, my Lord Justice Prasad, members of the Registry, learned Additional Solicitor General, learned Assistant Advocate General, President and Secretary of the Bar Association, President and Secretary of the Bar Library Club, President and Secretary of the Incorporated Law Society, and I extend my greetings to the learned members of my fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, and family members and guests of the Honorable Judges. I have been deputed by the learned Additional Solicitor General, as he is out of station, to welcome the Honorable three judges who have been the dispensers of justice, who have joined the ranks of this preeminent Honorable Court. The Honorable Judges who have been sworn in today represent the unwavering spirit of justice that animates our constitutional democracy. My Lord Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani hails from a family of advocates. Justice Kesarwani started practicing in Allahabad High Court, situated in the city of Prayagraj, on August 11, 1985, and specialized in the field of constitution and taxation laws. Justice Kesarwani became a permanent judge of Allahabad High Court on August 2, 2014. I have learned that Justice Kesarwani performed his duties as an honorable judge with unmatched dedication and precision. His relationship with the Allahabad Bar Association was exceptional. He has authored various judgments. Salient among them are his judgments on maintenance of Muslim women and regarding implementation of witness protection scheme. My Lord Justice M.V. Muralidaran was enrolled as an advocate on September 12, 1990. His lordship was appointed as a permanent judge of Honorable Madras High Court on April 7, 2016. Thereafter, his lordship was appointed as a permanent judge of High Court at Manipur and assumed the office of the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court at Manipur on February 6, 2023. I have learnt that Justice Muralidaran, as an advocate, has vast experience of conducting matters relating to civil law, constitutional law, company law, service law, and many others. My Lord had also had the experience of conducting matters before the trial courts. The above experience of his lordship blossoms in his judgments. My Lord Justice Madhuresh Prasad was appointed as a judge of the Honorable Patna High Court on May 22nd, 2017. Justice Prasad has authored various landmark judgments which have benefited the masses immensely. I welcome my lords to the Honorable High Court at Calcutta, which is the oldest High Court in India and has unparalleled legacy, and also to our city of Kolkata. As already stated, this city and this state has many things which are unparalleled. It has been said that what Bengal saw today, India has seen it tomorrow. We are all proud of our city, and I firmly believe that your lordships will contribute greatly to the growth of this oldest Honorable High Court of our country. I welcome your lordships on behalf of the Additional Solicitor General, myself, my counterpart, and also on behalf of all learned councils representing the Union of India to this Honorable Court. And we convey best wishes, Abhinandan, to the newly appointed Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court. My gratitude to all.
May I request the Treasurer Bar Library Club to deliver a speech?
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges, the Honorable Justice S.P. Kesarwani, Honorable Justice M.P. Muralidaran, and Honorable Justice M. Prasad. Learned Assistant Additional Solicitor General, State of West Bengal, learned Deputy Solicitor General, Secretary of the Bar Association, Calcutta High Court, President of the Incorporate Law Society, learned members of the bar, members of the registry, family members, and the distinguished guests of the Honorable Justice Kesarwani, Honorable Justice Muralidaran, and Honorable Justice Prasad. In this glorious moment of the Calcutta High Court, I have proud privilege of welcoming my lords, the Honorable Justice Kesarwani, the Honorable Justice Muralidaran, and the Honorable Justice Prasad, who have sworn in as judges of this Premier Court. I welcome my lords to the place of culture and heritage. I welcome you to the birthplace of Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and so on. My lords, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal and was the capital of British India until 1911 and place of rich culture and heritage. Calcutta High Court is the first chartered high court and the oldest high court in India. It was established on 1st of July 1862 under the High Courts Act 1861. The main building of the Calcutta High Court was designed by Mr. Walter Grenville and is a beautiful Gothic structure. Its imposing towers and its quaintly carved colonnades of cane stones. We have two additional buildings called the Centenary Building and the Sesquicentenary Building. Calcutta High Court has two circuit benches, one in Andaman and Nicobar Island and also one in Jalpaiguri. This High Court traces its existence since 1726 through establishment of Old Mayor's Court, followed by the Supreme Court and the High Court of Judicature at Fort William. The Supreme Court of Judicature at Fort William, Calcutta, was founded by an Act of Parliament in 1774. It replaced the Mayor's Court of Calcutta and was British India's highest court from 1774 to 1862. When the High Court of Calcutta was established to settle various disputes among parties through legal means. After 1950, this court has emerged as the High Court at Calcutta. We celebrated our 150th anniversary of our High Court in the year 2012. The first Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court was Sir Barnes Peacock. The Justice Shambhunath Pandit was the first Indian judge and was followed by the great personalities as Sir R.C. Meter, Sir Chandramadhav Ghosh, Sir Gurudas Banerjee, Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee, and recent past, Sir, we can say Justice, so on. Our bar is enriched with the legacy of the luminaries such as Radha Binod Pal, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Rajbihari Ghosh, Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, Deshopriyo Jotindra Mohan Sengupta, and in more recent times, R.C. Dev, Shankar Das Banerjee, Ashok Sen, P.P. Jinwala, Ranadev Chaudhuri, and many more. Brilliant lawyers and distinguished jurists. My Lord Justice Kesarwani, after completion of 20 years of illustrious practice, was elevated as additional judge on 12th of April 2013 and became the permanent judge at the Allahabad High Court on 2nd of August 2014. My Lord Justice Muralidaran, after completion of 26 years of illustrious career as an advocate, was appointed as a permanent judge of the Madras High Court on 7th of April 2016 and was thereafter appointed as permanent of the High Court of Manipur, permanent judge of the High Court of Manipur on 18th March 2019 and assumed the office of the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court on 6th of February 2023. My Lord Justice Prasad, after completion of 21 years illustrious practice, was appointed as additional judge of Patna High Court on 22nd of May 2017 and become permanent on 8th of April 2019. My Lords, on my behalf and on behalf of the members of the Bar Library Club, I once again welcome you as the judge of this honorable court. And my Lord, we wish you all best of your journey to this court. Shubho Vijaya, Ogrim Shubho Dipavali.
May I request the Secretary Bar Association to deliver his speech?
My Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of this court, the 3 new judges taken oath today, the family members and the other dignitaries present before this court on behalf of 3 judges, members of the registry, members of the 3 wings of the bar, Deputy Solicitor General and other senior members and the junior members present today. Now, before I proceed, we always greet everyone after puja, Shubho Vijaya, and in advance, Happy Diwali to all the persons present before this court. Now, today we are assembled here to welcome 3 honorable judges from 3 different places, from Allahabad, from Manipur, and from Patna. But for the Bar Association is concerned, the Bar Association expressed their disagreement with this transfer. Because of the reason, this transfer has been taken place, at least 2 of the honorable judges, tenure is only for 5 months and 8 months. Members are not at all satisfied with this because of the reason that 5 months and 8 months, what we will achieve from these honorable judges who has an illustrious career prior to joining Calcutta High Court. And I must say that before recommending the transfer, the authority should have been considered the tenure of the honorable judges. Bar Association always rendered their fullest support and cooperation to all the honorable judges, and I assure His Lordships that Bar Association consists of nearly 12,000 members, will always be with His Lordships and always assist His Lordship for the better justice delivery system. Thank you.
May I request the President, Incorporated Law Society, to deliver his speech.
My Lord the Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges of this court, the learned Assistant Advocate General, learned Deputy Solicitor General, President and Secretary of the Bar Lobby Club and the Bar Association, members of the registry, and all present in court or on the virtual mode. On behalf of Incorporated Law Society and its members, I welcome you all, Mr. Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani, Mr. Justice M.V. Muralidaran, and Mr. Justice Madhuresh Prasad as judges of this Premier High Court of India. We earnestly hope and wish that your induction to the strength of this honorable court would help the litigants of the state to secure justice a little more expeditiously. Your Lordship's experience as judges of the high courts would help to expedite justice delivering system of the state. Calcutta is the first chartered high court of India. It has a long legacy of delivering good judgments. Your induction will help this court to extend this said legacy. We therefore welcome you all. We from the members of the bar can assure your Lordships all assistance and cooperation in discharging your duties as judges of this honorable court. We also wish you that your stay in the city of joy, which is also a city of culture, would be an enjoyable one. On behalf of the members of the Incorporated Law Society, we welcome you all. Thank you.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Surya Prakash Kesarwani to address the gathering.
Honorable the Chief Justice, my brother and sister judges, Additional Advocate General of West Bengal, Deputy Solicitor General, Government of India, Treasurer, Incorporated Law Society, Secretary, Bar Association, learned members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen present here. I am deeply touched with the welcome address and kind words spoken today, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all. I feel proud that I have been judge of Allahabad High Court. I equally feel proud to be a judge of this prestigious High Court from today, which is the oldest High Court in the country and has set up several milestones. So far as I know about learned members of the bar, they possess 6 qualities, which I would like to express through a Sanskrit shlok, and I quote, Vidya vitarko vigyanam smritihi tatparta kriya yasyaite shadgutasasya nasadhyam vartate, meaning thereby that nothing is impossible for those who have these 6 virtues: knowledge, logic, science, memory, readiness, and ability to function. I pay my regards to all of you and the legends of the bar as well. As a judge of this august institution, I assure all of you that I shall always abide strictly by the oath taken today. I pray God to give me strength and guide me so that I may discharge my judicial and administrative functions with full dedication, utmost dignity, and with continuous reminder to me that I quote, Na tvaham kamaye rajyam, na swargam na punarbhavam, kamaye dukta taptanam, pranam artnashnam, unquote. Thank you to all of you.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice M.V. Muralidaran to address the gathering.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, my esteemed sister and brother judges, learned Advocate General, learned Assistant Solicitor General of India, the President and Secretary and Office Bearers of the Bar Association, the learned President, Incorporated Law Society, the learned Senior Advocates, the learned members of the Bar, registrars, judicial officers, staff, esteemed invitees, guests, and my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to begin by thanking each and every one of the speakers who have showed me with the compliments. I am truly touched by your words. The reception that I have received from the Honorable Chief Justice and the judges of this court has been extremely warm and welcoming. I am extremely honored. The Calcutta High Court holds a rich historical significance in Indian judicial system, and this edifies services as a symbol of justice and authority. The judges, with their profound knowledge, impeccable intelligence, and unwavering comprehension, have shaped the court's legacy and contributed to the development of Indian jurisprudence. I am proud to be a part of this chartered High Court and embrace a new perspective in opening up my judicial horizons. The citizens bring their disputes of this court because they have faith in our justice system and are confident that they will get a fair hearing. The end result of these disputes will be life-altering. Public confidence is the linchpin of our democracy, and we should make a concentrated effort to ensure that the confidence of the public in the judicial system is maintained and preserved. The intricate relationship between a judge and an advocate plays a crucial role in the administration of justice. While advocates vigorously advocate for their clients' interests, they must understand that their ultimate goal is to assist the court in reaching a just outcome. Judges, in turn, must remain neutral and impartial, relying on the information and arguments presented by the advocates to make informed decisions. This delicate balance between the judge and the advocate ensures a fair and efficient legal process, upholding the principles of justice and the rule of law. I hope and trust that I will get the fullest cooperation from all of you to enable me to discharge the duties of my office to the best of my abilities. Our united goal should be that the people who come to the court for justice must go out of the court with a sense of satisfaction that justice has been done. At the same time, I am looking forward to interact with the finest legal minds of this country who adorn and walk the corridors of this great High Court. I humbly and sincerely hope that my innings here at the Calcutta High Court would surely enrich, enhance, and garnish in judicial journey in the city of Jai. Thank you, Jai Hind. Thank you.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Madhuresh Prasad to address the gathering.
The Honorable the Chief Justice, my esteemed colleagues on the bench, the learned Additional Advocate General, learned Deputy Solicitor General for the Government of India, the Secretary Bar Library Club, Secretary Bar Association, the President of the Incorporated Law Society, respected advocates, other distinguished guests, including my brethren who have traveled all the way from Patna, my friends and family. I express my gratitude to the speakers for their kind welcome address. It is an honor to be a part of this great High Court, having a glorious legacy of dispensation of justice from this monumental structure. It is founded on the contribution of the many illustrious and erudite lawyers and honorable judges, is rooted in strong and meaningful traditions, and thus enjoying the continued public confidence and esteem. Assisted by the high standards of the Calcutta High Court Bar and observing the constitutional oath that I have taken today, I am confident that I will carry forward the glorious legacy of dispensation of justice and serve the people of this great state. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceeding as concluded? Lordship.